Top 5 Ways to Grow Your TikTok and Make Money. Welcome to my channel. Growing your TikTok and turning it into a profitable venture involves several key strategies. Consistent posting keeps your content fresh and attracts followers. Engage with your audience through comments and interactions. Utilize trending hashtags and challenges to enhance visibility. Collaborating with influencers expands your reach. Finally, monetization comes through brand partnerships, where companies leverage your influence to promote their products or services. By employing these methods, you can enhance your TikTok presence, foster a loyal following, and open doors to various monetization opportunities on the platform. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. So, let's start. Number 5. Monetize through brand partnerships. Monetizing your TikTok account through brand partnerships is a strategic approach that allows creators to turn their passion for content creation into a lucrative endeavor. This method involves collaborating with brands that align with your niche or style, leveraging your influence and reach to promote their products or services. To effectively monetize through brand partnerships on TikTok, it's essential to focus on several key aspects. First, establishing a clearly defined content niche and maintaining consistency in your content style helps attract brands looking for creators whose messaging aligns with their products. Growing your follower count and fostering audience engagement are also crucial, as brands often prefer influencers with a significant and engaged following. A well-structured media kit showcasing your TikTok statistics, demographics, engagement rates, and content style is an invaluable tool for approaching brands professionally. Proactive outreach to brands that resonate with your content and target audience is another essential step. Crafting persuasive pitches that emphasize the unique value you bring to their marketing campaigns can set you apart in the competitive influencer landscape. Authenticity is paramount in brand collaborations, as creators should strive to seamlessly integrate the brand's message or product into their content while maintaining their unique style. Additionally, transparently disclosing sponsored content builds trust with your audience and strengthens your credibility. Diversifying your partnership portfolio by exploring various collaboration types, such as sponsored videos, affiliate marketing, product placements, or exclusive discount codes, can help maximize your earnings. These multifaceted brand partnerships not only offer creators a source of income, but also broaden their reach and influence on TikTok, creating a mutually beneficial relationship with brands looking to tap into the platform's extensive and engaged user base. Number 4. Engage with your audience. Engaging with your TikTok audience is a pivotal strategy for both growing your presence on the platform and effectively monetizing it. The TikTok community thrives on interaction, and fostering a genuine connection with your viewers can set you apart. Firstly, respond to comments and messages promptly. Engaging with your audience shows that you value their feedback and appreciate their support. Encourage discussions and show genuine interest in their opinions. Another effective approach is to create content that invites participation. Launch challenges, duets, or Q, and sessions that encourage viewers to interact with your content actively. This not only boosts engagement, but also increases the chances of your content going viral. Moreover, pay attention to your audience's preferences and feedback. Adapt your content based on their interests and suggestions. Collaborating with your viewers can be a powerful way to build a loyal and active following. Engaging with your audience also plays a critical role in attracting brand partnerships. Brands often seek creators with a strong and engaged following, making your TikTok account more appealing for potential collaborations. In summary, engagement is the cornerstone of TikTok's success, fostering community, authenticity, and profitability on the platform. Number 3. Collaborate with influencers. Collaborating with influencers is a potent strategy for growing your TikTok presence and simultaneously monetizing your efforts on the platform. TikTok is a community-driven platform, and influencer partnerships provide a dynamic opportunity to tap into new audiences and enhance your credibility. To successfully collaborate with influencers, first, identify individuals whose content and audience align with your niche or style. Reach out with a genuine and compelling proposal that outlines the mutual benefits of the collaboration. Collaborations can take many forms, from duets and co-created videos to shoutouts and joint challenges. These partnerships can exponentially expand your reach, introduce your content to a broader audience, and potentially lead to increased followers. As your TikTok following grows, you become more attractive to brands looking for influencers to promote their products or services. Influencer collaborations not only enhance your creative scope, but can also become a lucrative revenue stream as brands recognize the value you bring to their marketing efforts. In essence, collaborating with influencers offers a shortcut to a wider audience and increased engagement, accelerating your growth on TikTok. It can also lead to income streams as brands recognize the reach and impact these partnerships bring. By establishing productive influencer collaborations, you create a win-win situation where you expand your influence and monetization potential while enhancing your creative content. Number 2. Use trending hashtags and challenges. Leveraging trending hashtags and challenges is a dynamic approach to both amplify your TikTok presence and unlock potential avenues for monetization. TikTok thrives on trends and virality, and this strategy capitalizes on the platform's unique ecosystem. Firstly, stay up to date with the latest trending hashtags and challenges. Incorporate these into your content, ensuring they are relevant to your niche. Trending content has a higher likelihood of appearing on users' For You pages, increasing your visibility and attracting more viewers. Participating in challenges and using popular hashtags can also lead to your content going viral, further expanding your follower count and engagement. More followers translate to a larger potential customer base for brand partnerships and sponsorships. Additionally, when your content trends, you might catch the attention of brands seeking influencers to promote their products or services. TikTok trends are a fertile ground for organic marketing opportunities. By consistently and creatively participating in trends, you can enhance your reach, engagement, and monetization prospects on TikTok. Number 1. Consistent posting. Consistent posting is a fundamental strategy to fuel your TikTok growth and monetization efforts. It's not only about producing content regularly, but also about maintaining a steady rhythm that keeps your audience engaged and returning for more. Regular posting ensures your presence on users' For You pages, the key to organic growth. The more frequently you post, the more chances you have to reach a wider audience. This in turn boosts your follower count and overall engagement. A consistent posting schedule also reflects your dedication and reliability as a content creator, which can make you more appealing to potential brand partnerships. Brands value creators who can commit to delivering content and maintain a stable online presence. Additionally, the TikTok algorithm often favors creators who post consistently, further enhancing your discoverability and viewership. This in turn increases the potential for your content to go viral, thus growing your monetization prospects. In summary, consistent posting is a cornerstone of TikTok's success, enabling both organic growth and unlocking opportunities for profitable collaborations with brands. This is it for today's video. What do you think of our video? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Thanks for watching.